Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your OSN Plus subscription that comes with your DU Home Wireless 5G plan. So if you are a DU Home Wireless 5G customer, you may be eligible for a complimentary OSN Plus subscription, and here is how you can activate it. So first of all, you need to ensure that your DU Home Wireless 5G plan includes the OSN Plus offer. That is eligible. Plans typically mention this benefit during the subscription process. Now, after your home service is activated, DU is going to send you an SMS or email containing a unique voucher code or an activation link for OSN Plus. That message is crucial for the next step. Now, if you have that activation link, you just have to simply use that and you will have to come on this website. Now here you will have to enter your DU mobile number, and before that you will have to input your voucher code from the message and then follow the on-screen instructions in order to create a new OSN Plus account. So here you need to provide your DU mobile number, and then you need to basically create your account or register over here in order to activate your complimentary subscription. Now, once the subscription is activated successfully, you need to download the OSN Plus application from Google Play Store or App Store and then log in into your OSN Plus account with the help of your credentials, and you can enjoy a vast library of content including the latest series, movies, documentaries and more. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.